thanks for sharing your plan. It's always a good thing. I got to open an X14 here. And this artifact here, pretty simple to do. You just go over here and get opening no material in component mode, and then click on that unwanted artifact and it goes away. That's pretty simple. Now this over here, see, if you cut a hole here, you're liable to bang your head on the slant of the roof. I would bring out a landing here and have the stairs go onto that. Now that's just me, but that one artifact is easy to handle. Now, see, like right now the stairs come out over here, so probably ought to be rotated. Well, I'm okay again. Where's the rotate handle? There it is, off screen. Okay, so now it's dumping out here. And so I would, yeah, I know you probably want to have it here, but I would, I can't select it now. I'd take this and put it out like that, have it attached to the floor platform above. And then, wait a minute. I'm going the wrong direction. Sorry. I'm not as familiar with this plan as you are. Okay. I need to close that dashboard. There we go. Get this in the right orientation. Yeah, it's coming up this way. See, up and then off. So you go up to the second floor, move that over. It might get a little dicey. Let's see. I'm going to move that. Oh, well, I need that straight. It's not straight. That's pretty close. Move that away from that wall there. Okay. Now I'm going to take the wall break tool, break, and break. Move this over here. Take it to the right, to the center, and then over like that. I'm just going to rough this in, and then this edge would be invisible. That's the dicey part because it's close to that. Well, it's still a kind of a, yeah, now you got a headroom problem. But this is how I would try to approach it. I think what we're going to need to do is move this over so that there's just an opening, or you could have, yeah, you could just probably just have an opening here. And then move the, maybe this will work. I'm not sure. You have to work out the headroom and so forth. And the next thing would be an elevation camera. Make sure that the symbol is stretched out so that it actually reaches, you know, like that. Backclip cross section. And fixtures interior is not turned on, so fixtures, yeah. I think that's it. I don't see it. What layer is that on? Stairs and ramps. Okay, they moved it. Well, that's not it. Well, they got a bunch of new layers for that. There it is. See, this step's way too low. I would take that well, I need to click it again. Is that it? Bring it up to there. And then, well, that's a little bit too high, but you get the idea. So now it's about 7 inches there. And that should kind of sort of work. Let's see this from, see what I mean? And you walk up into the rail. Let's look at it from upstairs. Oh, and the reason that you're not showing the floor up here is because it was set to 0. You go over here to the structure tab and floor, see, set to 0. So there's no floor. 0 means basically no floor. So I'm going to click that. Click OK. And then now you got a floor up there. I don't know if you did that on purpose or not, but this is the way I would do it. And it doesn't bother anything. See? And that one artifact, you just, oh, well, that sucks. What is that? Well, same sort of thing. I'm going to click on the, see if I can use the same trick twice. Yeah, okay. I just made that invisible. Now, in a vector view camera, it'll show, but in these standard render cameras, it won't show. Okay, well, you can see the edge lines of it in a vector view camera. Okay, that's it. I hope this helps you. Whether it does or not, make it a great day. Thank you.